బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అంతా కనుక నేను మా అందరికీ తెలుసు కానీ ఇంకా తెలియదు చెప్తే బాల్ ఈ ఒక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే లేకపోతే రెగ్యులర్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారని చెప్తారు
అంటే
ఇంటూ రెగ్యులర్గా చేసుకుంటాను
సీరియస్గా చెప్పాలి నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయను జనరల్గా అంటే నా కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది ఐ మీన్ చెప్తే కొంచెం వెరైటీ ఉండొచ్చు కొంచెం పొగరుగా కూడా ఉండొచ్చు బట్ జనరల్గా అయితే నేను ఫిజికల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయను సో సాంగ్ కీప్ ఆన్ వింటుండో 50-60 70 టైమ్స్ అలా సో మెంటల్గా నేను స్టేజ్ మీద వేస్తున్నాను అన్నట్టు ప్రిపేర్ చేసాను చాలామంది అదే సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారు ఫిజికల్గా కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ ఉండు సో నీ ఫిట్నెస్ లెవెల్ పెరుగుతుంటుందని సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డెవలప్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ సో అదే ఇంకా ఈరోజు చూసినట్టయితే గబ్బర్ సింగ్ ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ ఆడియో రిలీజ్ అయింది సో జనరల్గా ఎవరు చేయరు కదా ఒకసారి చేసి చూద్దామని చెప్పి ట్రై చేశాను అంతే అదే
Thank you for the wonderful performance, Sumanji.
Thank you.
It was a wonderful display of everything together. And basically, again, the great text what says, you should enjoy what you are doing. That reflects in throughout. And Suman enjoyed whatever he did, and especially in the dance bits. First bits were very good. He could bring out the two characters. From your two levels of your movement, you could establish that this is one and this is one. And your modulation of your voice and your body postures. I really like your body postures for the two characters because one showed the majesticity of the one who has come from there and the other one was the common people with that sort of like all of us. So that was very clear. So very intelligently you have portrayed that and you have got a very responding body. It responds whatever you want. Whether it is a stance or whether it is a movement, everybody. In dance, in Natya Shastra, we say that our dance is all with the Anga, Upanga. The body, mind and intellect reaches in one line and then the mind concentrates. And when the mind concentrates, there the eye goes. And where the mind, eye and the body goes, there the emotion starts. And then it flows into the rasikas. This is the great Acharya Bharata has said in Natya Shastra. Whatever we do today, whether it is to any category, it is all that is the Bible, Natya Shastra. So that text, knowingly or unknowingly, you are blessed with that, your body takes that. And basically, your Atma is happy with what you are doing. That was very, very crystal clear in your face, that happiness, and your body radiated that. And that has reciprocated to all the rasikas, isn't it? He was very relaxed and we could all see that happiness whatever he was doing, even though we are unable to do not even one moment of what he did. Doesn't matter. But we all enjoyed and we were with you. And especially two of the things literally was highlights in your performance. That is the swirls which we take. Which you have taken. You have taken two swirls of this portion showing back, maybe 90 degrees or something, then coming back into the Staniya. Those were very beautiful. That loops were very, very good. Generally, if you don't have a martial arts or Kalari training or the yoga abhyasa, you won't be able to do that. But you did it so beautifully and very easily you came back. And the next thing is the most beautiful dance, but unfortunately some of us, or generally they don't have a much of appreciation for the belly dance. We, some way or other, we put it into a different category, which is a wrong notion. Now it is slowly, clearly coming out. Now, that is the most difficult movement in the human body, in any form to keep with the rhythm, to show that. It is very, very difficult. We call it in the text Kadibeda. Acharya has given that Kadibeda in Natya Shastra, it has given. But very explicitly, we see it is in belly dancing. So that is a very difficult moment, controlling of breath and these muscles, because many of you are doctors over here, you know how much difficult it is with all the important organs here and there, but to bring it into a typical demand and then bringing backwards and forwards. But he did it so beautifully. He did it so beautifully. These are the two highlights. And to bring the swirl and the Katipeda, the belly movement, into this form of fast rhythmic sort of linking is very, very difficult. It needs extreme, intelligent, quick body response from one to one. And automatically you flowed that because your angles were perfect. Your lift were perfect. And the way you stood the sthana, the Ayata Mandala, that was very clear, that gave you the strength to do that. So keep on trying on all these things. You are a wonderful performer and aesthetically you can present very well and your presentation will definitely go well.
Thank you very much.